After you have decorated your paper plates, the next step is to staple it together. So you're just going to line it up and just put a few staples. And the next step that you can do to make your Valentine's Day holder look more Valentine is to make some hearts and glue around them. So I'm just going to trace a heart onto my construction paper. And you can just fold it and then you can cut some out. After you've cut some out, you will glue them just around your paper plate holder. This will be an easy activity for any child to be able to do.